Good evening, all of my dear students. Today we will discuss active and passive voice. Active and passive voice. Today's topic is active and passive voice. Present tense, present simple. When the sentence is in the form of present simple, how we will convert that active sentence into passive one. This is the today's topic. Suppose the sentence is in the form of present simple, then the rule is subject become object, object becomes subject, object becomes subject, and subject become object. Then is, am or are, is or am or are. According to the subject, we add this plus be plus verb past participle. This is the rule of converting active sentence into passive one when the sentence is in the form of present simple. For example, here you see I play cricket. I play cricket. This is the active sentence. I play cricket. Here I is the subject, play is the verb, and cricket is the object. So in answer we write subject becomes object and object become subject. Here object cricket comes to subject position cricket, and here we use verb is, cricket is, verb becomes past participle, so play is the verb. Here it becomes past participle played. Cricket is played by me. Cricket is played by me. This is the passive sentence. Another example we see, he sells kerosene. He sells kerosene. He is the subject, sell verb, kerosene object. And in answer, kerosene object becomes subject here. Kerosene is or am or are. The suitable verb is here is. Kerosene is verb. Here verb is sell. It becomes past participle. So sold. Kerosene is sold by him. Simple is now completed, and the second is present progressive. When the sentence is in the form of present progressive, then how it becomes passive voice. So the rule is object becomes subject, subject become object, and is, am or are, is or am or are plus being plus verb pp. For example, here he is selling kerosene. He is selling kerosene. Here he is the subject, is selling verb, kerosene object. According to the rule, kerosene object becomes here subject, kerosene is being sold, verb becomes past participle, sold by him. Kerosene is being sold by him. This is the answer, passive voice. Another example, I am playing cricket. It is the active voice. I am playing cricket. I subject, am playing verb, cricket is the object. Now cricket object here becomes subject, cricket is being played by me. Cricket is being played by me. This is the passive voice. It is the now present progressive completed. Now we go to present perfect. And present progressive have been completed. Now present perfect. The present tense present perfect. When the sentence is in the form of present perfect in active voice, how it will become passive voice. Same, subject become object, object becomes subject. We use have or has according to the subject. In singular subject, has is used, and in plural sentence, plural subject, have is used. Plus been, then verb becomes past participle. It is the rule. Example, I have played cricket. I subject, have played verb, cricket object. Now in passive voice, cricket, here object, it becomes subject now. Cricket, cricket singular, so we use has. Cricket has been. Been is the rule, so it comes here. Has been. Verb becomes past participle. Play is the verb. It becomes past participle played by me. Cricket has been played by me. Passive voice. Another example, he has sold balls in the market. Present, perfect, inactive voice. Then answer is balls. Here object, it comes here to subject. Balls have been sold in the market by him. This is a passive. This is all about the present tense, present simple, present progressive and present perfect. Then we will go to past simple. After present tense, now we go to past tense, past simple form. When the sentence is in past simple form, how the active voice becomes passive one.
Understand it properly.
Now the subject, here also subject becomes object, object become subject. We use was or were according to the subject. When the subject is singular, we use was. When the subject is plural, we use were. Then verb becomes past participle. Example, Ram played cricket. Active voice. Ram played cricket. Ram subject, played verb. It is in the form of past tense, past simple, cricket, object. In passive voice, object becomes subject. So cricket here is in active voice. It is cricket. Cricket here is in object form, and in passive form, it will come to subject. So cricket, we use was. Why? Cricket singular, so was is used here. Cricket was played. Verb becomes past participle. Played, cricket was played by Ram. Another example, he sold books in the market. Books were sold in the market by Ram. Books plural, so we use here were. Now you go to past progressive form. Past progressive form of past progressive, past tense, past progressive. When the subject is in past progressive, when the sentence is in past progressive, active voice, how it becomes passive. Subject become object, object become subject. We use was or were according to the subject. Singular subject was, plural subject we use were. Then being plus verb become past participle. For example, here Ram was selling books. This sentence, Ram was selling books in the market. This sentence is in the form of past progressive. Ram subject, was selling verb, books object. So according to the rule, books object in active voice, it comes to here in passive sentence as a subject. Books were, was or were, we use here were because subject become now plural. Books were being sold in the market. So books were being sold in the market. This is the past progressive, and now we go to past perfect. We go to past perfect. Perfect. Past tense, past perfect. When the sentence is in the form of past perfect, in active voice, the sentence is in the form of past perfect. How it becomes passive voice? The rule is subject become object, object become subject. We use had, both in singular subject and in plural subject we use had. Then been, B-E-E-N, been. Then verb becomes past participle. This is the rule. Example, I had played tennis. Active voice. I had played tennis. I subject, had played verb, and tennis object. In passive voice, tennis object, it comes to here as a subject. Tennis had been played by me. Played. The verb becomes participle. This is the answer. Tennis had been played by me. These are all about present tense and past tense. The next part we read about other rules of active and passive voice. Thank you all of my students.
The next video you will get more information about LKM learning classes, which will be free in Play Store, Google Play Store. And do not forget to subscribe, like and share our video, and subscribe our channel for more interesting topics about English grammar.